Hello everyone, let me show you the luxurious waterfront living in Vancouver, Washington along Columbia River. Follow me. This stunning waterfront home offers over 2,300 square feet of luxurious living with miles of breathtaking views of the Columbia River and Mount Hood. The home has 2 ensuite bedrooms, modern and comfort style with newly installed fireplace. Elegant finishes include the Brazilian walnut hardwood floor, travertine tiles in the entries and primary, and this is the chef-inspired kitchen and abundant of storage. The home is perfect for entertaining or everyday living. There are 2 ensuite bedrooms. This is the master. As we're walking inside, this home offers more than 2,300 square feet of luxurious and breathtaking waterfront living. This is the end unit, so you have your privacy and your own balcony. And look at this. Across there from the river is Portland International Airport, Columbia River, and you have the view of Mount Hood right on your balcony here. The property is located on over 20 acres of beautiful, luxurious, and stylish community with amenities that will please everyone, including tennis court, pickleball court, fitness center, dog park, walking trails nearby. Look at this chef kitchen with a ton of storage cabinets, beautiful granite countertops, custom cabinetry. This place is perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. Contact me, Fern, 971-999-5599, or email me fern@windermere.com for showing and touring this property. I am licensed in Washington and Oregon. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Please click subscribe if you find these video tours of beautiful luxurious homes are interesting to you. Thank you. Looking forward to see you next time.